So now the Assembly elections and the Police Commission elections are over, all of the excitement of that campaign, and we can focus on the referendum on June the 23rd. I know from talking to people on the doorsteps that many of you are confused and uncertain about how to vote. You have many questions that you want answered. And those questions focus on what difference will this make to all of us, to our own everyday lives, to our families, to our jobs, to our workplaces, and of course to our laws and our security. And that's why I think it's time now that everyone started to really focus on the issues that matter to people. What may be the small things, such as the laws we passed in Europe to prevent dangerous chemicals being used and included in baby toys, for example, to ensure that our food is safe, that we know that Welsh produce is sold as Welsh produce, which will help our agricultural industry and help to create jobs. All of these things that matter so much to us. And that's what I'll be talking about in the weeks to come as the campaign goes on. I'll be travelling all around Wales, talking to people, meeting people, talking about the work that MEPs do, but also about the issues that are important to you and the questions you yet haven't had answers to. So please get in touch with me if you'd like to help with the campaign, or if you just want to meet to talk about your concerns, because this is a decision which is not just going to affect us, it's going to affect our children and our grandchildren. So please get in touch with me.